Hi guys, my name is Pallav and today I'm going to demonstrate my own RAG implementation using FastAPI and a few five or six endpoints that I created. And on top of that, I've created a front end on top of which we can interact and we can check this out later. Let's start with the backend first. Okay, so the first API, we have 5 endpoints. First is the health check, which is the basic checking if the backend is working, if the RAG is actually working or not. And yeah, we get the status healthy and message RAG API is running. Then we go to chat. Let's say I want to ask the LLM, who are you? So it should in turn tell us that it is an LLM. Okay, I'm a large language model trained by Google. Perfect. Now we go to upload docs. Here we can upload our documents. Let's try it out. Choose file. Here the file that I'm going to choose is question bank. Let's do this instead. This is a subject that I'm starting the sim, computer networking, and yeah, we execute and the file has been successfully uploaded and indexed. Now we go back to the chat interface to ask some questions now that we have this context. What is computer networking? And we execute this to show the provided text mentions growth of wireless networking, blah, blah, blah. It does not actually deal with the information of what is computer networking because this is like module 2. So yeah, so it gave us the best answer it possibly could. Okay, now let's go to list docs. This will basically list all the documents that are there. We execute this. And yeah, I get two here. This is one that I executed earlier, and this is the one that I uploaded like just now. Okay, so we try to delete this and see if it works. Uh, let's try it out. Document number 24. I want to get rid of that. I execute this, and yeah, successfully deleted. We can check if the document has been deleted indeed. We execute this documents again, and as we can see, we only find 26. That is a computer networking module, nodes 2. Okay. So this isn't highly intuitive. The people can indeed interact with this, but it's not very pleasing to the eye. So I've created a front end here where I've used all those different endpoints and basically created a ChatGPT-esque model, I guess. Like let's start with asking it what is, or maybe who are you? We already have a document uploaded, so I think we can ask it questions regarding that. Let's go to our document. So as you can see here in the document library, anything you upload shows up here. Let's upload something else. RMIPR module 1. Let's wait for it to upload, then convert into vector embeddings, and it'll show up here. And as you can see, RMIPR module 1 uploaded successfully. So let's try to ask something about RMIPR. Summarize main points about RMIPR and give me its subject code, because here we have different subject codes for different subjects. So I think it's better. Okay, so we get the subject name, that is research methodology and intellectual property rights, then the subject code, and then main points from the context. We have definition of engineering research, blah blah blah. So as you can see, it's very concise and to the point when given a question and given a proper context here, in case we provided these PDFs. Now we also have a settings menu where you can play with all the different things. So you can decrease the chunk size so that you get more specific details. You can also change the chunk overlap, max documents retrieved, auto index documents, etc. etc. You can disable animation, sound effects. Although I don't think there are only sound effects. And then compact mode, which also does not really help. Then I can clear my chat history. As you can see, it did clear my chat history. Then I can delete all documents. So two documents which should have been here have been deleted. Then reset all the settings that I've ever changed. And then reset to default also works. Now I can change it to flash and save those changes. After saving the changes, I can again interact with Gemini and it should work as intended. So that's about it. This is my demonstration for a personal RAG AI assistant that anyone can access. They can upload their own local files and yeah, play along with their data and hopefully get some great utility out of this product. Thank you.